beautiful people. I'm here today in Beringen, Manen. A lot of people voted to do a bike check in English, so here I am with my Kona Process 153. I'm here with my test bike today for free from Cas Bikes. It's absolutely an amazing bike. The bike comes with the brakes, Gyudar, 4 piston in the front, 4 piston in the back. It's 200 millimeters in the front and 180 in the back. I got SRAM GX Eagle, 1500%, 12 speed, works excellent in all weather conditions. Got a RockShox suspension of 160 millimeters in the front and a RockShox Deluxe in the rear of 150 millimeters. And I got a RockShox Reverb 180 millimeters hydraulic system, and my tires 29 incher, 2.3 inches and Minion DHF. Wow. Yeah, it's really a great bike. It's a really do-it-all bike. If you want to play on some jumps, it's just like feeling amazing. Riding through rock gardens. I got some other videos on the channel. I'll put links in the description. And yeah, you just need to see it. It's an excellent bike, so hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Cheers! Hi, beautiful.
Seconde, wel spannend. Ja, er komen mensen aan de achterkant te schieren.
RockShox,
Okay.
Yes.
Making off. I got a RockShox.
Dat is niet waar.